Will suing my employer damage my reputation? Imagine standing up for yourself in the workplace and wondering if it might backfire on your reputation. That's a common concern for many employees thinking about legal action. When you sue your employer, it can raise questions about how others will see you. Some coworkers or future employers might view your decision negatively, thinking you caused trouble. But it's important to remember that taking legal action is a protected right under labor and employment laws. Employees can file claims for issues like discrimination, wrongful termination, harassment, wage disputes, or defamation. Laws are in place to prevent employers from retaliating against employees who exercise these rights. However, the way a lawsuit is perceived depends on how it's handled. If the case becomes public, it might influence how others see your professionalism. Sometimes, employers or colleagues might question your motives or character, especially if they don't understand the full story. But there are ways to protect your reputation. For example, if your employer spreads false statements about you, you can sue for defamation. To win a defamation case, you need to prove the statements were false, shared with others, made intentionally, and caused harm to your reputation or finances. Many disputes are settled privately through confidential agreements. These settlements can keep details out of the public, reducing the risk of damage. Keeping detailed records of your case and consulting with an employment lawyer can help you navigate the process smoothly. How you communicate about your lawsuit also matters. Explaining that you're taking legal action to address unfair treatment shows you're standing up for your rights, not trying to cause trouble. It's worth noting that many employees successfully pursue claims without long-term harm to their careers. Courts recognize the importance of protecting workers who assert their rights. While there is some risk of reputation impact, legal protections exist to minimize that risk. With proper legal advice and a clear strategy, you can take action without damaging how others see you. Remember, standing up for yourself in the workplace is your right, and it's possible to do so while maintaining your professional reputation.